What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here at South Florida DMV with a student. We're about to do the driving test, but I wanted to show you guys the new look. Okay, see the car? We just got this car painted. The new logo. See the new logo and the new signs and things. So this is the new sign. All of my cars will be green with the logo and the colors. That's the colors. ACC Driving School. Those are the new colors, the new look, right? So that's the car in gray with the new sign. Alright, so I'm gonna run through the driving test at one of these South Florida DMVs. Again, I can't say which one it is, but you know, you will have an idea. If you know the place, you will know where we are. Alright, let me get back in. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna run through the test with a student here. How you doing, Mom?
I'm great.
You're great? Okay, yes. Cool. Alright, so they're gonna ask you if you're parked facing uphill. First of all, they're gonna ask you this sometime during the test. We're not really sure exactly when, but it will be sometime during the test. If you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
To the left, away from the curve, put the car in park, pull up the parking brake, and turn off the engine. Okay, cool. Alright, go ahead, do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, and press and release the brake. Again, they're doing that to make sure that the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, and the horn's working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are actually not working properly. Alright, so we're going to reverse from here. And they're going to say reverse and go to the left. So go ahead and reverse. Look in both ways as you reverse. And then we're going to go to the left. Okay, so as soon as your mirror gets to the end of the line, turn it all the way right. Good. Put it in drive. Now we're gonna pull down. See where that bush is right up there? We're gonna pull up next to the bush and we're gonna wait for these people to do what they're doing. Okay.
See, they're practicing also. That's what it is. I know they're not trying to do a 3-point turn by pulling into the parking space.
Is it?
And they are. That is crazy.
Is it? They're doing?
Yeah, if they do it like that, they're certainly filming. Yeah. Yeah, so you know you don't go into the parking space when you're doing the 3-point turn, yeah? Okay. The whole point is to turn around without going into the parking space. That's what it's about. Alright, so they're gonna tell you to stop right here. And then speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. Speed up. And stop. Okay, perfect. Alright, we're gonna reverse, straight back, look behind you, and just let the car roll straight back. And then they'll tell you when to stop. So we're going to stop about here. And we're going to go forward just a little bit and then we're going to do the 3-point turn. Okay, stop about here, 3-point turn. Signal left, turn all the way left. Now keep it in drive. Alright. Put it in reverse, turn all the way to the right. Look over both shoulders.
Okay.
Alright, cool. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Put it in drive. All the way left. Before you release the brake, turn all the way to the left. Alright, so we're gonna stop at the stop sign here.
And we're gonna make a right turn. So signal right. Gimbal does what it wants to. Now we're making a right turn. Stay close to the right side because they're gonna have you park. And the closer you are to the right, the easier it is to park, right? So we're gonna park here. Alright, so you're gonna line up your mirror with the line and then turn all the way left. So every time they tell you to turn, you signal, you know what I mean?
Yes.
If you don't signal, you're gonna be losing 4 points each time, so it's imperative that you signal. So as you get into the middle of the space, keep going around, and then you straighten up in the middle. Straighten the wheel, pull straight in. Okay, that's cool. Alright, so stop here, now we're gonna reverse. This gimbal is doing all kind of things. So as soon as you pass the cone, you turn all the way left, just like that. Keep backing up. Alright, put it back in drive. Turn all the way right. And stop. Okay, so as soon as you come out the cone, you realize there's a stop sign right here. So make sure you stop, right? Go ahead. Go straight down and go around the corner. Stay close to the right side. Making the right turn here. So make sure you stop and then signal to the right. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your right turn. Stay close to the right side without going over these yellow lines. And we're gonna make sure there's no cars coming through the stop sign and make it right. Stop at the stop sign, then we're going to creep out to where you can actually see down the street. One, two, three. Alright, so you see it's nice. When it's clear down there, then you pull out. Alright, after this blue car, whatever that, no, you gotta wait some more because these guys are going fairly fast. Oh no, damn. Every time I say go and look and see these cars flying down. So in the driving test, you definitely stop and wait, right?
Yes.
Because if you pull out while these cars are coming, they're going to fail you. So you most definitely have to stop and wait until it's clear. Even if there's someone behind you honking the horn, because they're probably going to have that, then you just know you have to wait. Now you can go. Alright, so you're going to go out. And if the light is green, you make a right turn. If it's red, you would stop. So in this case, it's green. So you signal right, stay in your right lane. Light's green, so just go ahead and stay. And at this location, they actually bring you out on the street for like a minute. You see, less than a minute. Because see, we just came out the plaza, and we're literally going back into the plaza right here. So signal right again. 2, 3. Go ahead, make it right. Go to the stop sign, make another right. Pull up next to the car. And then left right here. Turn to the right slightly. Alright, cool. You're there. Alright, put it in park. How you think you did?
I think I do great.
You did excellent, actually.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right. So you see how she did. She did like, I would say she did close to 100%. So I expect her to get close to 100%. All right. So again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, I'm asking you please to do so. Help to build the channel.